Hi, would you like a background blur during remote calls on phone? It is very easy to do. Hi, I am Dr. A.K. Venkatachalam, an orthopedic surgeon in Chennai, India. You can learn more about my professional interests on my website www.drakvenkat.com. I also make videos to help better communication between doctors and patients. These days, doctors are attending lot more on video calls, and patients are also communicating with doctors more convenient than a laptop, because everybody carries a smartphone with them and they can always log on to Google Meet or Skype or anything else from their phones itself. Preserve the privacy of their own homes, as changing the background is not an option on phone by adding a green screen, because that's a very laborious process. Blurring the background is a quick option. You can do it very quickly by attaching a telephoto lens in front of your camera lens. With the telephoto lens, the phone will focus on your face, which is closer to the camera, and hence the background will get blurred automatically. I use an Ulanzi lens with a 2.5 zoom. So this is a view of my background without the lens right now. You can see the flowers on the mantle behind, they are also in full focus, and I am now going to show you the Ulanzi lens. This is the Ulanzi lens. I am going to attach this to the front facing camera, and you will see that my face will get enlarged, it will become closer, but it will be in clear outline, whereas the flowers behind me and all the objects behind me on the wall, the paintings, etc., they will be blurred out. So I am just going to attach this lens now. So I will go back a little bit so that the zoom effect is nullified. So if I just bend away, you can see that my face is in focus, whereas the objects behind me, they are blurred out. So this is the quickest way to get a background blur for remote calls on your phone. So if you gain from this video, consider subscribing to my channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC. Like and comment, share it with your friends. If you would like to see more such videos, press the bell icon after subscribing. Stay tuned, and I will see you again in another video.